When 5G was originally introduced, smartphone consumers confronted with the prospect of having to replace their old devices and had a very significant question. Is 5G worth it? A resounding yes first appeared to be indicated by the enormous popularity of 5G devices. But now, there are worries that the novelty has worn off and that many people are still experiencing little real world difference between 4G or LTE and 5G speeds. With the promises of gigabit speeds, 5G was hailed as one of the largest advancements in the technology in years. Sales of 5G smartphones demonstrated that users were sufficiently interested in technology to upgrade, and Apple's use of 5G for iPhone 12 was credited as contributing to the lineup's huge success. On the other hand, reality fell short of expectations. While isolated 5G coverage occasionally offered broadband-like speeds, this coverage was sporadic. The upload speed of 5G technology will be slower than that of 4G and 4G LTE. That is what the experts predicted, despite its capacity to support greater download speeds. Another drawback of 5G technology is that it impairs longevity and dries up the battery of the mobile devices, further weakening them. Mobile phones that are 5G compatible have just recently been released by only a small number of manufacturers. Although efforts are being made to produce 5G devices, the technology is proving to be a problem for 4G devices. Why? Because it frequently results in battery damage. But on a plus side, its high speed in comparison to its predecessors, low latency or the ease to support other new age technologies such as artificial intelligence, IoT, and virtual reality, and an increased bandwidth that provides seamless transfer of data, which further improves the connectivity among devices and the overall user experience, can make few of the downsides be overlooked. So again, a customer's requirement for 5G capable phone will rely on how important speed is to them. A network upgrade might not be required if they discover that their current 4G LTE network meets their needs. However, buyers might wish to upgrade to a 5G phone once 5G is more readily available. With the goal of making the distinction between 4G LTE and 5G considerably more pronounced, cellular carriers and even cable and tech businesses are investing billions to deliver the next generation of wireless. And when that occurs, an upgrade to the device can actually be worthwhile. So, what is your take? Would you actually buy a 5G phone just for the hype of it? Or wait a while till all the drawbacks are a thing of the past? Comment below. And if you aren't yet, start following our channel to keep up with the latest advancement in tech and data science.